This 2021 Newmar Ventana 4037 is a diesel pusher RV. It is located in Winter Garden, Florida, 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This used Newmar is 40 feet 10 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a Chateau Decor, Carmel Glazed Maple Hardwood interior, sleeps 4, stovetop burner, awning, leveling jacks, air conditioning, slideout, external shower, TV antenna, self-contained, skylight, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this diesel pusher features bath and a half, front entertainment, front living area, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2021 Newmar Ventana 4037 is built on a Spartan K2 chassis and is powered by a Cummins L9 400 HP engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.